In today's video, we're reviewing FreeAgent Accounting, a cloud-based accounting platform designed for freelancers, small businesses, and agencies. But how does it actually work, and is it worth still using? Let's go ahead and break it down. So what is FreeAgent? FreeAgent is an online accounting tool that helps you manage invoices, expenses, projects, and taxes in one place. It's built for small teams and freelancers who want a simple automated way to keep track of their finances without complicated software. Now let's go ahead and talk about how to use this. So first, you want to sign up for a free agent account and link your bank accounts. From there, you can start creating invoices, tracking expenses, and recording bills. Free agent also allows you to manage projects, set budgets, and tracks time spent on client work all in one dashboard. Another useful feature is automation. So FreeAgent can automatically import bank transactions, reconcile accounts, and even remind clients about unpaid invoices. Plus, it generates tax reports and financial summaries, making it easy to stay compliant and understand your business performance. Of course, there are trade-offs. So while FreeAgent is user-friendly, it may not have many advanced features as bigger accounting platforms like Xero or QuickBooks. Some users might find reporting options limited, and larger teams may need more robust tools. So who benefits most from FreeAgent? If you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner looking for a simple all-in-one accounting solution, FreeAgent makes managing finances much easier. But if you need advanced reporting, multi-company support, or large-scale accounting features, it might feel too basic. So to wrap it up, FreeAgent simplifies accounting for small businesses and freelancers, from invoices and expenses to project tracking and tax reporting. It keeps everything in one place and reduces manual work.